Hello, Mary Kay ladies. You have asked, and I am delivering. We have now a package of newsletters for training for your team building. Yay! So I wanted to give you a sneak peek, kind of behind the scenes of what these newsletters look like, what you can do with them, how simple they are to use, how much information is jam-packed in to these newsletters, and how they can be sent out on autopilot to your consultants to help train and team build with them. So I want to go through a couple of these real quick and a couple of statistics. First of all, there are 15 newsletters. We're going to go through about 5 real quick, but there's 15 newsletters in all. There is 27 MP3s for them to listen to. Some are from seminar, some are a little bit shorter, Mary Kay Ash speaking, but 27. There's 36 PDFs for them to download. There are 6 audio dialogue practice conversations on how to interact with customers and team building. There's 5 custom banners that you get. You get 3 different backgrounds, so you can kind of mix and match and choose the look that you want. And then there are 15 Mary Kay Ash motivational quotes. And each newsletter has action steps, and all of them are customizable. So this is the first one. It's a welcome newsletter. We have videos here going to the YouTube channel. This will have all of your personal information, your picture, your information here, and more videos. So this is session 1. It's over time management. It's again the same information can be changed, your banners can be changed, the background can be changed, all of that's provided for you. We have a video of Mary Kay Ash, but these are the action steps that are at the end of every one. You can adjust these however you like. If you want to add more, if you want to change the wording, you can change the wording on any of this. You'll see that there are media downloads for the day. These are all PDFs that they can download straight into their computer, and then there's an MP3 of the day as well. So each newsletter has media downloads, MP3s, videos, and action steps, plus a kind of main article that talks about the topic. Session 2 is over booking, discussion of booking, media downloads, all the same, as you can see. All these graphics can be changed out. And again, banners and backgrounds can be changed. Session 4 is pre-party planning and coaching. And then this last one here is dialogue, and these are all the different dialogues that they can listen to and practice, different objections that they might hear while they're speaking with potential customers or potential independent beauty consultants. So this, and then there's also action steps as well in this one. All of the newsletters, there's 15 newsletters. They cover time management, bookings, pre-party planning, inventory, objections, incentives, goal setting, organization, relationship building, poise, products, follow-up, business tools, and dialogues. Okay, we're going to shift screens here. What I do want to show you real quick, for those of you that don't have a My Newsletter Builder account, you do need a My Newsletter Builder account for 500 subscribers or less, 500 email addresses or less. It's only $10 a month, so it's very well worth your money. But in My Newsletter Builder, once we put these newsletters in your account, they can be completely customized. You can move these articles around. If you want to add a new article, you can always add an article to add your own wording, add your own graphics. If you want to change the way things are worded in here, it's just like using Word. You can type and change text in here. And you can also change out, you can also change out any of the graphics as well. If you don't want this graphic, you can upload a new graphic. We'll go into more detail about how to work around your My Newsletter Builder, but for now, just know that everything on here is completely customizable. The last thing I want to show you real quick is how simple this is to use. I've worked with a lot of Mary Kay consultants, and they have Excel spreadsheets full of charts on keeping track of who has what training completed and who needs what training still. And this does it all for you so that you don't even have to keep your Excel spreadsheets anymore on that. Basically, this is called an auto series program. So what you can do here, for those who aren't familiar, is I'm on this screen, and again, we'll go into more detail once you get your My Newsletter Builder set up and we get these imported into your account. We have training videos for this, but you're just going to go through. You can select the order that you want your newsletters to go in. If you don't like the order that they are laid out, you can put them in any order you'd like. So I'm just going to put a few in here. And so what will happen is these newsletters will go out on a scheduled time, which you can create down here. You could send them out daily if you want them to go out every other day, if you want them to go out once a week. The way these are set up, they're pretty much to go ready to go out on a daily or every other day, just because you want to get that initial training in. Since there's 14 of them, that would be about 2 weeks. It's a lot of information for a new consultant, but it's very important information covering their starter kit, how to dress appropriately for skincare classes, what happens in a skincare class, what sort of incentives Mary Kay has. So it's a lot of information, but it's broken down into bite-sized pieces for them on a daily basis. So you'll just select the order that you want. You put them all in here, and then you can select who they go to. For me, what I would do is you would create a new consultant subscriber list, and that's who gets these newsletters. So if you have consultant A that is in your subscriber list and you start sending these newsletters out, consultant A will get the first one on day 1 and then may get day 2 on day 2, however you have it scheduled. And let's say we get a new consultant on day 3 and we add the new consultant in. The new consultant is going to start on day 1, while consultant A is already on day 4. So it keeps track, it automatically sends them out in order as you add new consultants in. So you can get rid of those Excel spreadsheets on keeping track of who has received what training. I like this so much because it goes straight into their inbox. You just have to customize it once. If you want to change something on day 1, go through and change it, add whatever you want, take out whatever you want, and then you're done. And it automatically ships every single time, so you don't even have to think about it. Of course, you still want to have that personal touch with your consultants, but this at least gets that initial information going to them so that all your consultants across the board are receiving the same information. We can get a system going for your team, and you're kind of duplicating yourself in the sense that you have My Newsletter Builder taking care of sending this out for you. All right, if you have any questions, you can always email me, and I would be more than happy to explain this any further. I know I've gone over it fast, and like I said, we go into it more detail once we get the newsletters imported into your account. But I am so excited about this. I know you guys have been excited waiting for this, so I look forward to working with you, ladies. Thank you so much.